How to update your phone number on WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp app. Go to Settings. Click on Account. Click on Change Phone Number. Click on Next. Here, write Old Number. Now write New Number. Click on Next. If you want to notify contacts about number, then on the below option. If not, keep it same as it is now. Click on Done. Click on Yes. You will get verification code. Enter it. Now your number is updated on WhatsApp. You can see the chats from New Number here. That is how you can update your phone number on WhatsApp. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.